Welcome to VAR India News Hour. AI, VR, AR, 5G and blockchain converging to power metaverse. The IT and digital transformation industry is witnessing exponential growth in the use of cutting-edge digital technologies including AI, virtual reality, augmented reality, 5G, blockchain, cybersecurity and IoT. Each technology is maturing while overcoming challenges ranging from blockchain's energy consumption to VR's propensity for inducing nausea. The Government of India has been focusing heavily on developing India into a $1 trillion digital economy by 2025. The government's focus on developing digital governance, services and smart cities by adapting new age technologies like automation, AI, cybersecurity, blockchain and IoT has contributed to the growth of the Indian IT industry. The AI market will grow to a $190 billion industry by 2025 with global spending on cognitive and AI systems reaching over $57 billion in 2022. With AI spreading its wings across sectors, new jobs will be created in development, programming, testing, support and maintenance to name a few. Secondly, machine learning, the subset of AI, is also being deployed in all kinds of industries, creating a huge demand for skilled professionals. The adoption of cloud computing is still growing as more and more businesses migrate to a cloud solution. But it's no longer the emerging technology trend, rather edge is. Edge computing is designed to help solve some of those problems as a way to bypass the latency caused by cloud computing and getting data to a data center for processing. Edge computing can act like mini data centers. Edge computing will increase as use of the Internet of Things devices increases. The technology world is gearing up for a probable convergence of all of them to power the metaverse. They will likely converge in readiness over the next several years, underpinned by the now ubiquitous cloud computing for elasticity and scale. And in that convergence, the sum will be far greater than the parts. The catalyst for this convergence will be the metaverse, a connected network of always-on 3D virtual worlds. The metaverse concept has wide-sweeping potential. On one level, it could be a 3D social media channel with messaging targeted perfectly to every user by AI. That's the metavision. It also has the potential to be an all-encompassing platform for information, entertainment and work. There will be multiple metaverses, at least initially, with some tailored to specific interests such as gaming or sports. The key distinction between current technology and the metaverse is the immersive possibilities the metaverse offers. It is why Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia and others are investing so heavily in it. It may also become the next version of the internet. Finally, in the metaverse, our digital presence will increasingly supplement our real one. Let's look into today's headlines in VAR India. Intel plans to open a semiconductor manufacturing unit in India. Chipset maker Intel is planning to set up its semiconductor manufacturing unit in India after the recent Union Cabinet's decision on semiconductors that will encourage research and innovation in the sector and also boost manufacturing, strengthening the Atmanirbhar Bharat program. The Minister for IT and Electronics, Ashwini Vaishnaw, welcomed Intel to India by tweeting, "Intel, welcome to India." LIC seeks proposals for consultancy services for its digital transformation. The IPO-bound Life Insurance Corporation of India has pursued expression of interest from bidders to provide consultancy services for its digital transformation. The EOI has been invited from eligible management and strategy consultants who can evaluate the insurer's current IT setup, map it with current trends and best practices in banking, financial services and insurance sector globally, and articulate a strategy roadmap for its business-led digital transformation. Sundar Pichai can be questioned in privacy lawsuit. A California federal judge has ruled that the claimants who accused Alphabet's Google of unlawfully tracking their internet use while in incognito browsing mode can question Chief Executive Sundar Pichai for up to 2 hours. U.S. Magistrate Judge Susan Van Quillen in San Jose, California said a few documents established that specific relevant information was communicated to and possibly from Pichai, and therefore supported the request from the plaintiff's lawyers to question him. GlobalBees turns unicorn after raising $101 million. Thrasio-style venture, GlobalBees has raised over $110 million led by Premji Invest. GlobalBees' valuation has therefore risen to $1.1 billion, making it a unicorn. The company plans to use the funds to further strengthen its product portfolio and product innovation, improve customer experience, hiring talent and scaling companies. With this investment, we are well set up to become India's largest brand platform, said Nitin Agarwal, CEO of GlobalBees. Reliance Retail to invest 300 crore rupees in Adver. Reliance Industries subsidiary Reliance Retail will likely take a minority stake in Noida-based robotic startup Adverb Technologies with an investment of around 300 crore rupees. The acquisition is well aligned with its objective of widening the extent of offerings and consolidating its position. CEO Sangeet Kumar had said that Adverb plans to expand its robot manufacturing unit in India to boost its output by around 10 times in the next financial year. It caters to its clients in over 5 countries, including sponsors like Amazon, Flipkart, ITC and Coca-Cola, among others. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Our India News magazine. You can download the Our India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.